The kids blank before the school bus arrived. Have breakfast, had breakfast, were having breakfast. So dito meron kang dalawang actions. Kumain yung mga bata, dumating yung school bus. Now, sabi dito arrived, so past na. Tanggalin na natin yung letter A na have breakfast. Eliminated na siya kasi present siya. So, mili na lang tayo dito sa dalawa. Ngayon, hindi rin tayo pwede mag-letter C, were having, kasi past progressive siya. Ang ibig sabihin, ongoing pa yung action, in progress pa yung action, kumakain pa sila nung dumating yung school bus, which is not the case kasi natapos na daw sila before the school bus arrived. So, ang tamang sagot, had breakfast before the school bus arrived. Ang ibig sabihin, nakakain na sila before pa mag-arrive nung bus. Ang had, although weird pakinggan or pangit siya pakinggan, yan yung tamang sagot kasi past perfect yan. Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, pag perfect, prior. So kapag past perfect, prior to past. Ibig sabihin, may naganap na action, yung pagkain ng breakfast, prior to another past action, yung pagdating ng bus. Technically speaking, ang had combination yan ng auxiliary na have in past tense at ng main verb na have in past participle. Kaya siya naging parehong had. So again, ang tamang sentence, the kids had breakfast before the school bus arrived.